So I bought this USB-C to DisplayPort cable to connect my MacBook Pro to the external monitor. After a few days the colors on the external monitor went bad, so I wrote a message to the seller and received the replacement. After 1 hour with the new cable, my MacBook display went off for good and nothing helped to bring it back. There was no display on the MacBook and no display on the external monitor as well. The only visible button on the touch bar was the escape key. I left the feedback on the seller side and received the refund, but I had to send my MacBook for repair. Apple service said there was a problem with the logic board. I received the message from seller that the cable manufacturer has been testing on variety of MacBook Pro and Dell monitors and have not found this problem yet. The seller doesn't want me to send him back these cables, but I am not going to use them anymore. If you want one of these cables, just let me know in the comment below, but I don't take any responsibility if the cable is faulty. I know that my English speaking is not the best, that's why I started recording the voiceovers for my videos. If you hear any incorrections in my English, please let me know in the comment below this video so I can do it better next time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.